Up first, with Jamaica recording almost 1,500 murders in 2022, the police commissioner is confident that crime will be contained in this new year.
Major General Anthony Anderson was speaking this morning at an annual devotion. Details in this report. 1,498 reported murders in Jamaica from January 1 to December 31, 2022. That's 24 more than the same period the year before. The St. James Police Division recorded the most murders, 198, followed by St. Catherine North, 145, and Westmoreland, 140. Portland had the lowest number of murders, 14. As for other major crimes, robberies stood at 914, up 18%. Break-ins 977, up 8%. Rape, however, declined by 13%, ending at 419, and shootings also went down by 8%. 1,162 shootings were recorded. For the police commissioner, the Jamaica Constabulary Force is in a better position to fight crime in 2023.
I expect fantastic results this year. And you know why? Because I have the team, we have the plans, we have the changes that got interrupted in 2020 and 2021. We pushed through in 2022. That by the end of the year we started to see the benefits of it. And 2023, and set the conditions to launch in 2023 with a new energy, with a number of the things that were delayed now in place.
Major Anderson says excellence is a process which requires commitment from all parties involved, and so far, police personnel in partnership with the stakeholders are on the right track.